Okay, ChatGPT has been a blessing to everybody since its release to the public, and recently when OpenAI decided to release the application for iOS users, and while we people that use Android, we've been left in the dark. However, check this awesome application out, AI Chat. Now I actually love this application. It operates just like ChatGPT. In short, other options to use. Okay, so this is the first part. This first part, you can see experts. Now these are experts in different fields, so you can just chat with them as regards question in relation to that their field, and they will help you with it. Now this application will be available in the description of this video. Just be sure, help yourself out to get it, but definitely I won't be leaving that without the password. Without the password, it's definitely locked. Now when I come to messages, these are messages I've asked it out. All right, these are questions I've asked it, and it has been able to provide me answers. Now this is a philosopher. Okay, I don't have lots of things to do with philosophy to ask, but however I'll just ask it for a thing. For example, probably I'm working on a logo. It knows a philosophy, and one thing about logo has to be, you know, to understand psychology. Okay, is philosophy. I'm not someone who is good in philosophy, so I actually don't know. Okay, let me just ask someone for interview. Okay, I'm going for a job interview. What's okay for I will be having a job interview next week. Okay, for the job of a UI UX designer. How am I to prepare myself? How do I prepare for it? Now it's loading. The AI is actually loading after typing whatever my question. Now we're just dealing with job interview now. Okay, so let me just AI is chatting. It just operates just like ChatGPT. You can ask it different kind of question you want. Okay. Okay, now it took a while, but it has actually brought out my request. Now, congratulations on landing the interview for UX designer. Research the company, familiarize yourself with the family product, practice your portfolio, choose your best way to represent yourself, prepare. Okay, now let me ask it. Okay, what are the likely questions that I be asked? Now it's going to run through that one and provide me my answer. Okay, so these are questions it provided me with. Questions that I might be expecting. So you can see it's actually helpful when you come here. So these are just the AI stuff was cool. So you can just click on chat. Hi there. Okay, I'm Peter. Okay, now for example, I'll just give it a question. I'm working on a flyer design. Okay, let me use brand identity on a logo design. Now, being a graphic designer, a logo design. No, the the brand wants me to convey a sense, wants to convey his sense of professionalism and trust and fun. How do I mix this concept together? Mix this concept to come up with a logo. Now it's going to run through its database and provide me any assistant I can, and you just need to be direct in your question. When you're asking a question, make sure all the questions you're asking it are related to the first one you're asking, just to help the AI. Not that you just be asking a question you've not asked it before. For example, if I'm to ask a question now, it may be how you just talk to this AI as if you're chatting with someone. You can't just come here and ask a question, what's the score? For example, what's the score? He's going to ask you, what score? No, maybe what score? There are so many teams that are playing cricket, football. What's the score? So you get what score, right? Okay, the football match between Brighton, was it Brighton and Manchester City? Oh, yesterday. Give it the particular time. Just be direct in your question. Let the AI know what you're talking about. Now just look at Great Peter. Combining professionalism, trust, and fun seems to be like challenging, but it's definitely possible. Use color wisely. But now green is associated with growth and fresh ideas, while yellow and orange evoke optimism, joy, and energy. So it's giving me color choice. Balance of typeface. It says use sans serif like Times New Roman, Georgia, evoke a sense of professionalism, while sans serif like Evaltica, Arial will give you a modern, playful feel. You can use a combination of serif and sans serif typeface to find the right balance between professionalism and font. Incorporate playful elements. Okay, so minimal, always. So just ask it different questions of your choice, and you'll be good to go. Just operate just like OpenAI. Now this other option, this for this the language. Now I don't want this. I definitely don't want this sound. Okay, what color do you suggest? Now that's the sound which for this bubble. So you can just text the way the text will be appearing in form of I don't want this. Okay, let's just see the. Okay, what do you suggest? Oh, I thought I said ask what color do I suggest. Now, based on your brand value, professionalism, trust, color bloom, you should go play for elements complicated such as swirls, abstract, minimalism. Okay, so that's more or less. So that's all for this particular video. Please subscribe to my channel, put on the notification bell. See you in the next video.